Students, on the basis of the process of formation, there are four types of mountains: fold mountains, block mountains, volcanic mountains, and residual mountains. We will study about all them one by one. First one is fold mountains. The mountain which has shape like a sea wave and has height greater than 900 meters above sea level is called fold mountains. Example of fold mountains are Himalayas in India, Alps of Europe, Rocky of North America, and Andes of South America, etc. Number 2. Block mountain. Due to the geological forces, pulling force is applied on the surface of the earth, then cracks are formed. As a result, surrounding area is submerged and central part remains stable, forming block mountain. Then gorges are formed in the lower area. Host mountain of Germany is the best example of it. Therefore, such mountains are also called host mountains. Nilgiri, Satpura, Vindhyachal mountains of India are the best examples of block mountains. Students, due to the pulling force, the tensional forces are created and faults develop in the rock strata. The area in between two faults is raised or the central part remains stable and surrounding area are submerged. So the remnant highland is called block mountain. The host mountain of Germany is considered to be its best example. So this type of mountain is called host mountain. Nilgiri, Satpura, Vindhya, etc. of India are block mountains. The height of block mountains is less than fold mountains. These are spread over a limited area on the earth. Volcanic mountain. At the time of volcanic eruption, the material which is thrown out is deposited in the shape of cone. It is called volcanic mountain. Fujiyama of Japan, Vesuvius of Italy, Cotopaxi of Ecuador, and Barren Andaman of India, Pavagadh and Ginnar are the best examples of volcanic mountain. Students, when a volcanic eruption takes place, dust particles, ash, rocks, pebbles, and hot lava are thrown out or erupted. The conical hill is formed from these materials. It is called as volcanic mountain. Example: Fujiyama of Japan, Vesuvius of Italy, Barren, Pavagadh, Girnar, etc. of India. Residual mountain. Residual mountains are formed from the residue which withstand against the natural force of erosion. Soft rocks are eroded and swept away since thousands of years and the soil formed from solid rocks sustain as a highland. It is only called residual mountain. Aravali, Nilgiri, Parasnath, Rajmahal and Eastern Ghat are the examples of residual mountain. Students, residue means left over in general. Sometimes deep and long valleys are formed on level land at higher altitude due to the erosional work of natural factors. The remnant higher area around those valleys remains as a highland and that is known as residual mountain. Example: Aravali, Parasnath, Rajmahal, Eastern Ghats, etc. in India. Students, if you like my videos, do subscribe channel Asma Madhya. Click on the bell icon for the latest videos. Like the videos, share the videos and do comment on all the videos.